and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making comeback sauce. For our recipe we have mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, ketchup, spicy mustard, lemon juice, hot sauce, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt and pepper to taste. You want to add all the ingredients into a large bowl. Mix well until combined and smooth and creamy. You can use fresh garlic and fresh onions if you choose to. Just make sure you add it to a food processor or a blender until it is smooth. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.